Hey everyone, I got a great product for you by Teslong. It's an endoscope, residential and commercial. Great price, quality unit. You're gonna like this. Let's get to the review and the open boxing. Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. I'm excited today. I have the dual lens endoscope camera. It's a 1080p dual camera handheld borescope with a 4.5 IPS monitor built in. Very nice. I think you're going to like this. Let's take a look at the case it comes with. It's a nice hard case. Got a good strong handle on it. It's got great hinges on the top. And I like the little hole on the top so you can lock it up if you want. Strong hinges on the bottom so you don't have to worry about it breaking apart on you. Well, let's open it up, see what we got inside. Okay, I see a nice presentation here. First thing you have is their catalog to order more parts for the Teslong dual camera. And this is the charging cord. It's micro to micro USB. Some attachments here. One of them is a magnet. The other one's a hook that you can place on the end of the endoscope cable you can grab things that you're searching for. Next I'm grabbing here is the 16.4 cable, heavy-duty waterproof inspection cable. You can see on the side here there's one camera, and up on the top with the lights and camera above. You can see how durable and heavy-duty it is by holding its position when you bend it. It's also waterproof. Next you can see the connector that connects to the base to show the camera. And there's a button you click on there that switches between the front or the side lens. All right, and we have the owner's manual. It tells you how to set it all up. Pretty easy to use, very descriptive. Okay, let's take a look at the handheld monitor and see. Oh, it's nice. Heavy-duty plastic. It has the trigger and the locking mechanism for the side, and it's got metal on the sides of it to cover up the speaker areas. It's a very nice product. You can see the quality built into this. And so you see it has the rubberized power button you can hit here. It has a nice 4.5 display on it, so easy to read, easy to see. Let's get this case out of the way and to really take a look at this. And you can see on the front of the hand, it's rubberized, along with the push button for on. It's rubberized, and all the top keys, too, are nice and extended rubberized pieces. And around the perimeter of the 4.5 LCD glass is rubberized to protect it, too. So you can see this real quality, and you can see the sides are plastic. And the bottom has a little hook for a lanyard, so you can keep it around your wrist. And you can see here this orange trigger button that you click on. It also turns on a nice bright LED light so you can see in dark places to put your cable in. And moving this little flap out of the way on the side of the monitor, you can see we have two slots there. One for your micro USB card, which comes with a 32 gig card, which is a nice little extra. And we have the charging port, the input for the micro USB. And you can see this orange button on the side here. You press this and it'll allow you to tilt the connector or the cord down, and also to lower the light down so it's easier to shine. Okay, next I want to show you how light this handle is. You can see here it's only 11.7 ounces. Very light, easy to maneuver. Okay, I'm going to give you some measurements on the handle. And it is 8.5 inches long by 4 1/4 wide. And the actual handle thickness or width is 1.5 inches. All right, I want to show you how easy it is to hook up the cable to the handheld monitor. If you notice there's a little bit of a notch on the top of the cable, and you can slide it in that groove on the connector on the handle, and it goes in really easy. And then you just simply screw it down nice and tight. Just that simple. And we're going to turn it on. Simply push the on button at the bottom part of the monitor, and you can see how the quality 1080p looks with the little camera hooked on the end of the cable. Looks great. Now it's time to go do a hands-on review of the product and show you some examples in different situations how this works with a 1080p camera. Okay, first example here, we're going to be showing how you can use it on a motorcycle or any kind of automotive. And this is my friend Brian, who's going to be helping us out here. So I'll let Brian go ahead and tell you what he's going to do.
So first, let's take a look at our intake valves. There it goes. So that looks good on the intake side. Okay, there's our exhaust valve. I'll move the engine over. And there we are. You can see the exhaust valve going up and down. Very good. Now we'll take a peek inside our breather tube here and make sure there aren't any obstructions. So now using this button on the front here, we can change it to the side view. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to be taking a look inside this tree. There's a nice big knot or hole that looks like possibly a squirrel or a woodpecker has been eating in. And if we go and tilt this back, I think you can see up top there's a huge hole up there. So here we go. We're going up inside. Boy, really hard to see what the heck is going on in there. Oh, you can see the opening up there. I'm trying to get it into position so it doesn't look like there's anything living in there because it's going all the way up. I'm trying to see what's in here by turning the probe. You can see the side of the wall of the tree. Pretty cool. Go down in this pole. Yeah, that's cool. Just curious what's way down at the bottom. We're going way down there. There we are. Look at that. Look at that, there's bugs down there. Check it out. There's worms in there. Wow. Some kind of larvae. I don't know what's in there. That's cool. That's amazing. Amazing. There's actual larvae down in there. Okay, in this video clip, I'm going to be seeing how much creosote, if any, has managed to build up in my chimney flue. And we're going to do a visual inspection on the flue and actually the damper of my fireplace insert. And see, it's not too bad. It's pretty clear. Oh wow, this thing is great. It gets all the way up inside there. Look at that. You can see right there, that's actually my damper doors on my fireplace. The one that I closed to back down the flow and to keep the heat in the fireplace. You can see it's not too bad. It's got a little build up on it, but I'm sure that'd burn off as soon as I start the fireplace up. And we'll try to get past that point. There we go. We got past there. Now, this is my chimney liner here. I want to see how much creosote's built up. Not too bad. Actually, it looks pretty good. It was mostly built up down into the flue and the damper right there in the fireplace. So I'm very happy with that. Hardly any buildup of creosote. See that? As I'm bringing it out, you can see it just starts right there, just as coming into the fireplace, which I think we can burn that off. Okay, well, thanks for watching that. Well, I hope you enjoyed my review on the Teslong dual lens endoscope camera. With the 1080p dual cameras, the handheld borescope has a 4.5 IPS monitor, a 16-foot inspection cable with light. It comes with a 32 gig micro USB card and a tool case. The 16-foot waterproof cable is flexible enough with that 8mm camera to pass through all the hard-to-reach areas. Like you saw in my review, I got in some tough situations where it was hard to get in there, but you could see the camera had a beautiful view, great picture, and great video. The IP64 waterproof design allows a camera to go 3.2 feet underwater, and this unit has a 26 milliamp rechargeable battery that can last up to 6 hours of continuous use. You can purchase this endoscope on Amazon for $159.99, and I'll leave that link down below. This is a great little product. The quality is there. I'd like to really give this thing a Captain Mark's 6-star review because it did everything it said it was going to do and more, and with the quality built that it is. But I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. Great little product. I think you can't go wrong with this. Pretty good price. Very quality built. So if you think the information was useful in helping you purchase this endoscope or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up, because that really helps out the channel grow. And if you haven't yet, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget the bell to the right to catch all my upcoming videos, and I got a lot more coming towards you. And again, I always say thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.